In this video, we are going to take a look at the settings for each school. In the LDCSB, each school has one admin account. This admin account is where you are able to load activities for your students. So what I want to show you today is from my Boardmaker, we have my activity tab, which we have previously looked at, and we're going to move over to my playlist. Under my playlist, we want to go to Edit User Settings. Once this opens up, this is where we're going to be able to make the program work. So here is the interface and what it will look like. You have your stop activity button, and is it accessible always or never? Here in our message window, do we use symbols? Do we use a thick cursor? And we can turn these things on and off, as well as the print options at the bottom. Make sure that if you do make changes that you click submit at the bottom. At the top, we have three other tabs. So we're going to work our way through them. With our access method, this is for students who may have some difficulty with their touch. So simple touch. We can also do a mouse pause. So they just have to go over top of it. Okay, as well as scanning is just moving your mouse over top. Okay, our next tab over is text to speech. Here is the rate of speech. And we're just going to give it a different option. Let's go to Helen. And we should be able to hear the different voices. It also has audio cue settings. And again, please remember to click submit. Okay, you also notice that when it highlights words, it's coming in two different colors. We would be able to change those colors depending on the use for our students. So the last tab that we're going to look at here is our symbol and language. So when we click over here, you are going to be able to add different symbols to your library. So there are some different ones that you are able to load in here. You can scroll through them. Most of the country ones are all turned off. You'll also see that we have high contrast or communicating about sexuality. Along with the communicating about sexuality, we may want to turn this on and hide some explicit symbols from our younger students. You would be able to turn this on if you were doing a subject on some health curriculum. We're going to leave that off, and we would have our symbol presentation order. And again, we're going to hit submit in order to make sure that all of our user settings are saved. That's how we access our user settings within Boardmaker Online for the London District Catholic School Board.